Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new around here. If you are new around here, then you're joining us at an exciting time because we are about to go on a family holiday, and in this video I am packing for it, and I have left my packing to the last minute, so it is going to be a bit of a journey to get everything packed and ready on time. If you are new around here, I will introduce myself. My name is Gillian and I'm actually a mum of 6, so I am packing for all 7 of us, and then my partner Aid, he will pop his own bits in. There is a lot of people to pack for, so it is always a bit of a commotion to get everyone packed, ready, and just make sure everyone has got everything. We are heading off to Spain. We are going for 6 nights. It should be really, really good, and hopefully I'll have some holiday vlogs coming up as well. So if you'd like to see some family holiday vlogs, then please do subscribe to my channel, because I'm sure they will be the next few videos that I have. As we're only flying to Spain, it's only a short haul flight. I have done a pack with me video on my channel before when we flew over to Walt Disney World Florida, which is a 10-hour flight. So if you are flying long haul with a family, and that was when our twins, who are about 22 months now, 22 months, no, yeah, nearly 22 months. They're going to be 2 in June. We flew before when they were about 7 months, so we needed like baby formula, baby food, baby snacks. As I mentioned, it was a really, really long haul flight, so I needed lots to keep the kids entertained, and we just needed lots and lots on that trip, and I packed a shed load. I rewatched that video today because I thought I'm just going to rewatch that pack with me, see what I packed last time and see what I'm going to pack this time, and I packed a shed load. But I am just that person. That is just my personality. I like to take everything and its kitchen sink on holiday with me, and I like to feel really, really prepared for if any situation was to occur. So if you are flying long haul, or you want to see what we packed on that video, I will link those videos down below. And I actually did 2 separate videos. I did a what's in our hand luggage and what we took on board when we were flying, and I also did the pack with me, just like our general pack with me. But let's get started on this video, and I will share with you some of my like organization packing bits as we go along, because I bought some organization bits, and I do use packing cubes and things like that, because honestly they are just a life changer when it comes to packing your suitcases. So what I have done already is I've already packed most of the kids stuff. Kids have also packed their hand luggage. I went down with them earlier and they picked a few bits which they wanted to put in hand luggage, so I'll share all that with you, share what I've done already, and I've actually got all of my stuff left to do, because as I mentioned, I left everything to last minute, and I've only just before I started filming this video had a couple of parcels come to the door, which is going to be some of my holiday clothes, so I need to try it all on in a minute, see what I'm bringing, and then return what I'm not taking. So yeah, a lot to get done, so buckle in. We are in for the long haul. Well, you probably aren't. This video is probably going to be about 10-15 minutes for you, but it's going to be a good few hours for me, so let's get cracking. Just before we get started, I forgot to mention that I do have everything that I'm going to pack in a list. So I write a list of everything I need. I mean, I think that's pretty standard if you're going away. I mean, lists are life, aren't they? I will pop that on the screen here or somewhere, try and do it somewhere for you so that you can have a little look at my list, and if it helps you, then you can screenshot it and use it, or whatever you need it for. What I like to do is write down everything that we need, so that may be important stuff for the airport, so documents, travel insurance, parking, our passports, all of that. Then I'll have what we need for hand luggage, what we need in our suitcases, and a whole list of toiletries so we don't forget anything. And then I also had, because I use the same list every single time, I had to take out a few that I used when we did go to Florida, because it was more baby items. If you are traveling with a baby, it'd be your baby formula, your milk, your beakers, baby cutlery, maybe if you're weaning them, dummies. None of ours have dummies anymore, so I've moved that to a section at the bottom, so if someone wants to use that, they'll still find that helpful. I also moved a travel iron out, because normally we pack a travel iron, but our Airbnb does have a travel iron. And then another thing that I like to do is write down in a list what every child is wearing each day, and that just helps me, number one, know that I have an outfit for each child for each day, and I know what they're wearing, and when we are on holiday I know what I can get out for them to wear. Those are like my 2 ways of helping me organize our packing and just organize my brain. Like, I just need to do it for my own sanity. It may be an unnecessary step for some people, and it does make the packing process that little bit longer than if I was just to bung in a few tops and a few bottoms, but I just personally like to do it this way, and yeah, it just makes me feel like I'm on top of it. So just because this is right next to me at this very moment, I'll show you what we have done for hand luggage. So the girls have picked picked out these bags, which they are gonna use for their carry-on flight bags. We do have scooter suitcases for them, and the girls absolutely love them, but we are flying EasyJet this time, and they are very strict. Size limit is a lot smaller. For mine and Aya's hand luggage bags, we just have our usual changing bag there. So at the moment in this changing bag, all we have is nappies and their wipes at the moment, and we'll probably put in bottles and things last minute. And then this one over here, I just bought this one new from Pretty Little Thing. I just thought that this would double up as a really good beach bag as well when we need to carry a load of items to the beach. Still got the tag on it there, but it was giving me a Danola vibes, so I really liked it. I'll link it all down below. I haven't organised what's inside here, but I'll just get out everything that I've got in there so far and I'll just show you. So here is a combination of the things I have just chucked in there for the time being. This pink hair thing, this is one of those sleep in hair curlers. I really rate them. I'm thinking of using it tonight because obviously we are going to be getting up super early in the morning, so I'm hoping to style my hair before we go to bed, maybe sleep in this, and then I'll be ready to leave in the morning. No fuss. Another pack of wet wipes. I also have our scales to weigh the suitcase. I'm actually getting a little bit stressed over that. I'm really worried about how much they are going to weigh. I should have actually mentioned at the start of the video, which I forgot to, is we do have 3 big suitcases. I'm just hoping everything fits, but we shall see as this video goes on. In this bag here is just all of our suitcase locks. So once we are all packed later on, we will lock up our suitcases. Bag of lollipops. So this is for our plain bribery. So I've got some more snacks again that I need to pack in here, but yeah, desperate times come desperate measures. Some fidget toys, which I thought would be great for the babies, to be able to play with those on the plane and once we are in the villa. A small pack of antibacterial hand wipes. I've got for Navy and Bodhi these Paw Patrol sticker books. So I did look at colouring books, but they are just too young to do colouring. Well, they can do colouring, but I feel like on a plane, stickers will keep them very entertained. So it comes with over 500 stickers. So you've got this scene at the back here, which you can stick all the stickers on. So I feel like that will keep them quite entertained. I just packed a couple of books for them. And then I also got these. So these are new. They actually came in a set of 2 and they were really inexpensive. I feel like it was £10 for the 2 of them. And basically you have the pen at the top, draw on with this pencil, and then when you want to delete it, you can start all over again. Nice and easy, makes no mess, super thin, so barely takes up any room, very light. And I just thought that was absolute fab fine. So I will link that down below. They will also have their tablets, Amazon tablets, which will go into our hand luggage as well. So over here is everything which was packed inside the kids' carry-on bags. Each child has their own water bottles, and I just thought that these would be handy to have on holiday for when we do take day trips out or go to the beach or anything like that, then they have a water bottle on hand. The other day we went to Home Bargains and they just picked out an activity book each. So this was the one that Harlow chose, this unicorn, caticorn, I don't know what to call that, but it looks very girly indeed. Oh, it is caticorn, there we go. Amora chose these, which are great for toddlers and younger kids. This is the mess-free colouring. You get sheets of paper in there and you get special pens, which only colour on the special sheets. So she chose a Paw Patrol one of those, and Harper picked out this just Avengers sticker book. You also got this Monster Aliens colouring book. So as you can see, they're great prices, £1.49 and 69p. Then they also have a book and a notepad each. Amora has this Bluey book. She also has these Little People Big Dream sticker activity books. Then I packed for Harper and Harlow their colouring pencils. These are so great for travel. Tie them together, everything stays in one place. But if I open out, you have all of the colouring pencils there. Each child has a pack of tissues. When I was about to pack them, these little hair clips I got from Primark, she said, can I put those in my bag? So she has those. She has her iPad here. She's the only kid that has her iPad up here at the moment because the others are still using theirs. Headphones for the iPads, a couple of fidget toys, and then this was something we also picked up in Home Bargains the other day because I saw it and I thought all the kids could use this. Inside you get 3 different activity books and they all come with stickers. Moving on to Harper's bits over here, we have got some more fidget toys that she chose. She also wanted to bring her Smiggle Pop-It pencil case, so she's got some extra colouring bits there. She's got the same colouring pencils that I showed Harlow had, her tissues, another little fidget toy there, headphones for her iPad, and then this little snakes and ladders game which we will all play in the villa, I'm sure. This is a great little travel game. I actually bought this from Poundland, and they actually had quite a few little travel games in there. Definitely a place to check out if you are going on holiday. So yeah, that is everything so far for the kids' hand luggage. I don't really have any plans to add anything else into this, so I think that's pretty much going to be them set for the plane, apart from obviously add their iPads and bits in once they are charged up and ready this evening. So I thought I'd show you our toiletries up next. I got these 3 wash bags from Amazon and I absolutely love them. You've got a little handle on them as well. So handy for separating out all of your bits and bobs so you can access things easier and find things easier. I'll pop the link for these in the description box down below. In this first larger one, I've got my flannels for taking off my makeup. I've got shampoo and conditioner. We have got this body shimmer oil, which I'm so excited to try. I'm hoping it will just give me a really nice holiday glow. So I thought that has to come with me. Just some spare eyelashes. I've got this little heat mat here, hairbrush. We've got some soap in here, 2 body puffs for the shower, the Sol de Janeiro moisturizing shower gel cream. I thought that this would be such a vibe on holiday. Deodorant. We have my favorite SPF skincare. This stuff is amazing. Face wipes. I don't normally use face wipes, but I thought just on those nights if I am feeling really lazy, and also my teenage daughter Lex, she loves using face wipes, so I got those for her when she wants to take off whatever makeup she has on. And I've also got my heat protectant in there. And then in this medium-sized one, I've got some skincare. I bought a new Clinique Take the Day Off because I love taking off my makeup with this. And I'm running so low on my cleansing balm, I knew it wouldn't see me the whole way through holiday, so I had to pick up a new cleansing balm. I've got the Hawaiian Tropic After Sun. This smells incredible. The Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, because why not? I thought that would be really nice to use on holiday as well. A mini hairspray. And then I also have some travel wash for us to wash some of our clothes. The villa we're staying at does actually have a washing machine, so we are actually going to go to the supermarket and perhaps get some washing powder and pop on a few washes whilst we're there. But I always like to bring some travel wash with us because especially traveling with kids, you never know what they're going to spill up on clothes, and you may need to rinse something out, wash something out, even if you don't have a washing machine in the sink. So it's always nice to have travel hand wash. I got this from Home Bargains. And then in this last little one here, I've got mini perfume. We've got our toothpaste, toothbrushes. I've also got some bags here. So these are just rose scented bin bags, but I thought they'd be perfect for putting our dirty washing in. So I've got about 5 of those, and I thought the rose scented would be nice for dirty washing. Just some little bits in this mini one. I also got these bags off Amazon. So again, I'll link them down below. This one here has hair clips, hair bubbles. I actually tied a lot of the hair bubbles around the hairbrush so we wouldn't lose them. But this has got some scrunchies, bobby pins in, some mini bands as well, also to do the kids' hair. This one is like a mini first aid kit, Diorolite for the kids, Calpol for the kids, paracetamol, plasters, Imodium, teething stuff. Here we've got sun cream. I've actually decided to just go for Tesco's own because it's got 5-star UVA. So we've got number 50 for the kids, we've got a factor 30, and then we have a factor 50 roll-on for the kids to take to the beach. So we just pack that in our beach bag and we can use that when we're out and about, and it's just an easy top up. Hand sanitizer, nappy cream, baby wash, sanitizing spray, our travel adapters, and also My Little Coco baby little balm. So that's nice for nappies and also just for their skin as well. And in here we have women's sanitary products. Here is one half of our first suitcase, not quite packed because I think I could probably fit a bit more on top there, but this is all of Alexi's bits here. So I've been using the packing cubes. Honestly, they are just absolute lifesavers. So we have all of Alexa's clothes, and then I know that those 3 are her clothes. Sometimes I did each compartment as a day, so for each child it would be like, this is what they're all wearing Monday, and it'd be all their outfits, and that's actually a really, really good way to do it, but I just didn't have the time really to do it that way today. And then she's got her swimwear and underwear in this bag here, and then because there was room in the top, I have popped in the nappies. So that's Navy and Bodhi's nappies, Amora's nappies, and some swim nappies at the back there. I've just noticed there's a little bit of room down in this side, so I am going to pop her sliders that she wants to take in there. I'm so happy with this because I managed to get all of the kids, so all of the younger kids, bar Lex. So Lex is sharing a suitcase with Aid. I managed to get all 5 other kids' clothes in this one suitcase, and that is down to the packing cubes. Then in this middle compartment, there's a little sleeve down here, which I put all of her sunglasses and bits and bobs in. But I've just popped packing cube with each one's clothing in. So we've got one for Harlow and Harper, Harlow and Harper's other one. We've got their swimwear in one of these. All of the swimwear are in these little pouches. I've got all of Bodhi's stuff in that packing cube over there. We have Navy stuff in here, more swimwear, and Imora's items in this one over here. So I'm so happy. I feel like there is a bit of room to get their shoes and things on top, so I'm going to try and do that now. So I just thought I would share with you a few of the Zara kids bits that just came in my Zara order. There are these lovely sets which I bought for Navy and Moo to wear to the airport. Absolutely stunning in the pale pink with the flowers. I thought they were so cute. It'd be so nice with them matching, and then they'll just have a denim jacket over the top as well. Some brown swim shorts for Bodhi. We got some of these cream and mustardy brown Bermuda shorts for Bodhi. The big Alita ecru shorts for him. This was the airport outfit I got for him. So just a blue jumper with these kind of blue slouchy trousers, which are probably just a pair of trainers. I did buy him a little cap to go with it, but we just tried it on him and it really didn't look great at all. It didn't match it. It just was a really odd shape on his head. So we won't be having that. He did get snot on the jumper though when we were trying it on him, so we wiped that with a wet wipe. If you want to know the prices and things for everything, I will link all of these Zara clothes in my description box down below. How cute are these little pinstripe dungarees? I really love them. They were $18.99, and he's got a little black t-shirt to wear with these and his little black sandals. I think that would be such a cool little look for him. Then he's got this hoodie, so I thought that'd be nice to wear on the way home, and also just for him to have as a extra layer in case it's a bit cooler in the evenings. And then this amazing shirt here, I couldn't turn this down when I saw this on the website. This is $14.99. We also have another holiday to Mykonos in June, so if he doesn't wear this holiday, then this will be for Mykonos, because I just really like it. Yeah, I thought it was super cute. Heart filled with worries. No. Right, so I have been trying clothes on for absolute hours, and this is the pile that I am down to. So I am going to try and pop that all into the suitcase now. I actually have these as well. So more packing cubes, but I ordered this set from Amazon in the beige. So I've got lots and lots of little packing cubes here, and it's time to squeeze everything in. I also just wanted to share with you this mini jewellery travel organiser which I got off Amazon, and I am just obsessed with it. I got lots of jewellery in here. There's lots of different compartments where you can put your necklaces, your earrings, your rings, your bracelets, and it just zips up and keeps everything safe and tidy, and there's just a compartment for everything so that not all your jewellery is getting mixed up. And I just absolutely love it, and it is in this cute beige colour, and I just think it was a fab find. And then this is my suitcase all finished. So I've got one half here full of my clothing, which I've used the packing cubes for. So everything is in its categories, and I've just organised it all so I know where everything is once I get on holiday at the other end. And then in the other half of the suitcase, I've popped all of our toiletries, some more bits that we needed for the kids, and my shoes. So that is us all packed, ready to go. As I mentioned, we had 3 suitcases. So one had the kids' clothes, one had Lex's and Aid's clothes and some baby nappies, and then this one had my clothes and all of the toiletries. We managed to fit everything in. We're ready for our holiday. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I shall see you all in a video again soon. Bye.